Hi everybody, Brandon here. In today's video, I wanted to do a test of the Questrade online brokerage support chat. You'll see I have a timer up on the screen, and if you did catch my last updated review video, my one major reservation regarding Questrade, I basically said the only con that I've come across with using the platform was the lack of support. And I may have actually been grossly incorrect on that, and I'd actually like to correct myself, because the last time that I did contact support was right in the midst of the pandemic, where I talked about these long lineups and not being able to get connected through to the chat support. But I did get a bunch of comments from you guys, the viewers, who said that the chat support as of recently has been amazing. And I wanted to test that out live. As we can see on the page, let's go through a live case study together just to see how responsive this chat system is. Granted, we are filming this on Monday at about 10:30, so right in the midst of the trading day. Let's go ahead and see what we see. I'm gonna go ahead and click the start timer as I click on this chat button. All right, I'm gonna click here for just trading, chat. I'm just gonna click here, trading. Okay. Wow, so we had one person in line ahead of us. You are up next. We're about 19 seconds into this. Oh my gosh. So let's give it a second here. I may be speeding this up if it takes a while. You've got to be kidding me. 33 seconds. Oh my, 33 seconds. Hi, this is Rochelle. I'm going to type something in here just to make sure that this is an actual person. Wow, guys. So I do stand corrected, and I'd like to make an apology on behalf of my previous video as well to Questrade if you're watching this. What a response time. So that is one person in front in line. I'm just going to take that off the screen for you guys. Wow. So again, just to recap my previous video, what I talked about was that if you are starting as an investor with over $1,000, Questrade is currently and by far my favorite option. I just had a negative experience with their chat support. Clearly, it looks like since the pandemic, we have gotten back to normal levels. And in fact, this is actually faster than I've ever seen it before. As I've touched on, when I've reached out to chat before, there was at least about a dozen people in line. Here, I was the first person in line, the middle of the trading day on Monday. We're in the heart of earnings season. Again, this is filmed on April 20, today's April 26th. So I hope that this quick little video does give you just an up-to-date look at how their support system has increased. And with all that said, in conclusion, that one reservation that I had regarding support has clearly been resolved. So I'd like to again apologize for my previous video. I hope that this was able to clear some things up. Again, I apologize to Questrade, and as I said in the last video, even with the poor support, I do still vouch for Questrade. It's what I use. And if you did want to sign up with them, again, we are a partner with Questrade. So if you use the link down in the description below, you'll get $50 in commission-free trades. But thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the quick update, the quick little test. That was far faster than I had assumed. If you are new to investing, new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. We post all sorts of content right here in Canada. We also have our Investing Academy down below if you are looking for some additional training.